What's up, YouTube?
This is Vlogmas day 4, right?
This is day 5.
Day 5 of Vlogmas?
Day 5,
are we live? Are we live?
We're
What's
live
up,
right
YouTube?
now.
It's your boy with your other boys.
Yep, just having a good time, you know. Having fun.
Best food I've ever had.
I'm eating my food with utensils.
Yeah.
Oh, you got something back on us.
Color is for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Choose hot.
Okay, I got it.
A little bit.
Actually, fam, you can give the bacon to Matt over here.
Oh, wait, you don't eat bacon?
He doesn't eat meat.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I forgot you're
Thank you.
vegetarian.
What's the memory for you?
The camera was just chilling on my face.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Are you catching this?
Yeah.
Look at this dip. Are you getting this, bro? Look at this dip. Ooh. Creamy. The way I like it.
Yum yum.
Yeah.
Serving in orbit style, am I right?
Hell yeah, Orbit.
Shout out to my boy.
Shout out to my boy. Hey, Rian, you gotta make your YouTube video. You gotta make at least a video, man.
Yeah, I'll be on there
So I
soon.
can subscribe.
Yeah.
My
So you
boy's
can
coming
smash that
up.
like button. On this video, you better smash that motherfucking like button.
Yeah, man. Dude.
All I have is a 20.
Josh is flexing right now, man.
Okay, so I can either use
Damn.
mirror image
Damn.
Almost in the yoke.
and it's raining inside
Yeah.
I can coin out Fireland's portal and just kill this guy. Yeah, you should do that.
We're talking about some Hearthstone.
Let's see what drop I get.
Yeah.
Attack all of them.
Safe behind the camera. Let me see that.
Here you go. Here you go.
I didn't think I'd get a time
I pressed the button. Did I stop it?
No, it's all good, man.
Okay.
Okay, so at this point, I guess
You dab.
all I need to do
Dab on
is
those haters.
Dab on them. You know, they can't dab back behind the screen.
Yeah,
And if you dab, we don't know if you
he's a
dab.
free-to-play player, like new.
That's the name of the game.
I have a plan of what I'm gonna want.
No one told Coach Rob about that.
No, don't tell Coach.
Oh, man. Unless he sees these videos, you know.
And the girls are gonna be like, "What the heck?"
No, we told them.
Oh yeah. You should have left them out too.
Then they would have been under arrest too. Sorry.
We have pay up there too.
Oh yeah.
Lit here, real lit.
Don't go recording all these times.
Oh no, dude, no. I waited. Hey, see now everybody knows that we talk.
Mr.
You know my mom.
D'Angelo Russell.
I'm gonna change my name to D'Angelo Russell.
I said, hey, so what do you really think about everybody on the team, huh? Oh, man.
Hey, so what do you really think about Iggy Azalea?
Yeah.
You know?
So, don't you go around? Don't you go around showing this to my dad?
Because I only do this once.
He's a Christian man.
Because yeah, he's hardcore Christian,
I
and
really don't do this, so don't show anybody this video.
I normally don't do this after the first date, but
I'm very scared.
Are you
You know that.
Is that a camera?
Good.
I'm kind of into this kinky
I
stuff
have to
now.
tell you that this isn't
He's
a real.
This isn't a real date.
No, this.
I wish there was a Be Gentle emo.
This isn't a real date with the 4 of your best buddies. One of them has been lying to
Well,
me.
we're gonna have to vote somebody off. And,
As you can tell, we voted Orbits off the island.
rest in peace,
Rest in
Orbit.
peace. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, my boy.
Might have got greedy.
And the dab stopped us, Brett.
The chances of you having 2 swipes.
Freaking, dude, I'm not gonna lie to you, I felt so sorry. I felt so bad, man.
That's alright.
I'm like, do you know what happened? I had my earphones in, and it was on vibrate,
Oh,
so I couldn't hear it. And I just like, I'm like, I hate this song in the radio, turn it off, and then I go check my phone and I'm like, oh shoot, Josh probably forgot something. Look back, I'm like, wait, is that? And then I'm like, and then I call you. I also have a car.
Damn. Savage. You right?
You didn't have your permit yet?
Oh, I'm getting it. Oh, you recording that?
Yeah, I recorded it. I recorded that comeback roast and that roast to my dignity.
Sorry, Lord.
Did you?
You didn't
did
do
you
the.
record
You didn't do the.
Did you record you explaining that you recorded the roast and the comeback roast?
Yes, I did.
And you recorded me explaining that you explained about you recording the
Comeback roast.
and comeback roast. Okay. Alright, good to know.
So now this is turned into an erotic video about Johnny Reyes.
Hey, look, it's Jeff.
Oh.
Look, you gotta be kidding.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's
Oh, it's Jeff?
Jeff. No, it's not. I think we got a Jeff.
The funny thing is Jeff does watch these videos.
Awkward. Jeff, I've seen you like, I don't know, 8 months.
Hey,
Hopefully
Jeff.
that baby's going good.
Any Jeffs out there who have any questions about me, you can leave in the comments below. Like and subscribe.
We won't read the comments, but we'll know it's there. We'll read into the likes. We'll read
There's
into
too
the
many comments for us to go through all of them
Yeah.
at any given time. You know I had to do it so.
I tried to go through them on one of it and it took me like 24 seconds. It was awful.
So by process of elimination, only the Jeffs are applicable for these comments. So
Yeah.
if you're not a Jeff, sorry about that, Jeff. I mean other Jeffs, but you know what I'm talking about, Jeff.
Yeah.
Got you right there.
We love you.